Hey friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. Audio technology is moving very fast from wired to wireless. We have used wired headphones, wireless headphones, neckband headphones, Bluetooth headphones and many more. We wanted to try earbuds, which is rapidly growing and there are many earbuds in the market. So we wanted to just see the hands-on review how the earbuds will be. So we had our backend team to search the good earbuds which suits our budget. After backend team shortlisted a couple of earbuds and gave to us, we selected one earbud. So that earbud is from PTron and it is called Bassbuds. Without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing and see the earbuds. This is a retail package of PTron Bassbuds. Let me open the plastic cover on the box and let me also open the box and show you the content inside. Once we open the box, inside we have first the rating card on the front. On the back of the card there is a hashtag Be Loud Be Proud which is used by PTron. Let us see further what is there in the box. We have a Ziploc cover. Inside the Ziploc cover there is a charger cable for the case. There is few rubber earbuds and a paper manual. Overall, there are 3 pairs of rubber earbuds in different sizes. Next, we have a case for placing the earbuds. This is a charging case cum travel case. When we place the Bassbuds, there is a light indicator for charging. This case is also having a built-in battery to charge the Bass earbuds. Let me keep this aside and let us continue to the Bassbuds. This is the Bassbuds and we have a pair of Bassbuds for left and right ears. Let me insert this rubber buds as it has come out. So this is the earbud and below it we can figure it out if it is a left side or right side earbud. We will have to open the box. Oops, I opened it in the wrong way. Once we open the box, we will have to place the earbud as mentioned, the left one in left and the right one in right. As we can see, the lights indicates the charging. When the Bassbuds are fully charged, this red light will turn off. We can also see what is the battery level present in the case for charging the earbuds. We can find it out in front of the case and it is denoted by 4 LED lights above PTron logo. The battery in the case is very good and I charged it for an hour. It lasted me around 4 days. We can also see the battery level of the case by pressing a button. The top lid of the box is transparent so we can easily find out if the Bassbuds are charging or not. Let me connect my phone to the Bassbuds. I have put the earbuds on the pairing mode. I will just have to select it and give pair. Here is a quick demo of the Bassbuds. I know this is not the right way to experience it without wearing, but just for you guys I am showing this. The bass is extremely good in this Bassbuds. If you wear it to your ears, you can experience it. So friends, hope you have seen the unboxing video of PTron Bass Earbuds. In this video we have shown the unboxing of it and we are showing how to pair it with the mobile and also the audio quality of it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel Uday's Review and also like our social media platforms. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.